Hi guys, welcome to my channel, DR Builds.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jose and this is DR Builds. Today I'm starting a brand new woodworking series where I'm going to carve every Major League Baseball team logo out of wood. We're kicking things off with the Arizona Diamondbacks, and I have also made the official MLB logo to go along with it. For this project, I used my scroll saw to cut the design. Then I hand painted everything using acrylic paint. If you are into woodworking, sports, or handmade art, you're definitely in the right place. So let's get started. The MLB logo was introduced in 1969 and it hasn't changed much since, which says a lot about how iconic it is. This logo represents every team in the league, so getting these curves really matter. Once I was done with the scroll saw, I used a nail drill to sand the edges and get it all smooth. The red, white, and blue aren't random colors. They're meant to represent baseball as Americans' pastime. When you are painting a piece of wood white, ensure that you are giving a few extra coats, just to ensure that the paint is being absorbed by the piece of wood. I was thinking about using nails to put those two pieces in the white part, but then I decided to use some Gorilla Glue. Right after that, I used a clamp and let it sit overnight. And there you have it, your Major League Baseball logo. Diamondbacks are actually one of the newest teams in the MLB. They didn't exist until 1998. That makes this logo a lot more modern than most of the teams I've been carving in this series. This part always takes longer than people expect. Clean edges matter a lot, especially sharp logos like Arizona's Diamondback. Let me know in the comments, would you rather see smooth finishes or keep some rough wood texture? If you notice, I am painting every single piece apart. This will make sure that once I piece everything together, the pieces for the logo will look so smooth, and also it will look with a better contrast. The Diamondbacks color are inspired by the desert. That deep red and sand tone really pops on the wood. Acrylic paints works great here because I can layer without losing the grain. Once again, I use wood glue to ensure that these pieces were attached together, and then I use a clamp and let it sit overnight to make sure they stuck together. So there you have it, the Arizona Diamondbacks logo. Please let me know what you think and let me know what logo you want to see next. See you next time.